Hello guys and welcome to my channel. Let's get straight into the charts. Remember, this is just for fun. I'm not your financial advisor. This is the gold chart, and as you can see, this beautiful cup and handle formation is very bullish. That's the reason why I'm bullish on gold. It has formed over the years 2011 up to now, and there are two ways of measuring the price targets of this cup and handle formation. Here's the neckline. This is the neckline. Let's say this is the neckline, and we can put the measured movement on the neckline. So the conservative target could be by measuring the handle formation from the top to the bottom. So yeah, and now let me try to put it on the neckline. Can I do it? Let's just, oops, let me try to do it. It's here. Okay, I'm going to put it on the neckline. Go there, please. Go there, go there, go there. It's on the neckline. Oops. Okay, it's on the neckline now, and the target is around 2,300 to 2,310. That's the conservative target. Now let's measure. There's another way of measuring the target, and of course it may take again years to form or to finish this formation and reach our target, but both targets are valid targets. The other way of measuring it is from the neckline, starting out from the neckline all the way to the bottom of the cup like this, and then we will put this on the neckline. I haven't drawn the neckline, so it's right here, and the target is it. Okay. Let's see what our target is. So the target is this cup and handle movement. The target is 2,760. So actually these are my two target prices, and I'm longing gold until we reach 2,700. And of course it may go further up. It may go to $3,000 level, but this is, for me, this seems to be a sure price target. Good. Now again, let's zoom in. This is the weekly chart on gold, and we are zooming in, and here's the weekly. This is the falling trend. We haven't broken above this falling trend. On the weekly, we have passed the 20 EMA, and we are on our way to the 50 EMA, and yeah, 1800 level stopped us. We have fallen back a little bit. Let's look at the daily chart. Okay, so this is the daily chart on gold, and as I pointed out, we have an inverse head and shoulder formation, and the price target can be measured here. Yeah, if we consider the top of the week to be the neckline, then our price target is right there. Okay, around 1840. what I think right now is, as I pointed out, we have this area of resistance here. I think we are on our way to get there, 1803 to 1810. 1800 has stopped us and we have fallen back a little bit. In this area we may fall down even to 1780-ish level, but I think this level of support should hold gold down to 1775. But I do think that we are on our way to 1830. So on gold, 1830 is my target, which is in the top. Let me draw a line there. I think this is a major resistance. We will reach that. I'm almost sure of that. If you can be sure of anything in the stock market. So as you can see, 1830, we hit this area 3 times here and here again. So 1830 is going, and it's almost our target from this inverse head and shoulder pattern. Inverse head and shoulder pattern are very good patterns, very bullish patterns. So I think we are on our way to 1830, and when we reach 1830 we might fall back to 1810, 1800, even below that. It's not a problem if we fall below that, and we spend some time here, but we may only fall down to 1810 and then shoot back up and go above this area of resistance. Let me show you something else. So this is gold, and oops, I'm trying to okay, maybe it's better to go back to the weekly chart. So this is gold on the weekly chart, and let's zoom out a little bit further. Yeah, okay, here we go. Right, good. I'm trying to use the Fibonacci levels. Let's see what we can see here. If we put it to the top, all the way to the downside, down of this wicks, around here, this area right here. And now we can zoom in and go back to the daily chart on gold. So we are looking at the Fibonacci levels, and as you can see, 38.2% is an important level, and it's right there where I drew this line. So I'm almost sure that we are on our way to this level, 1832, 1830, 1832, and probably we will fall back. We won't pass this level for the first time, we will fall back. So what I would do, probably hold my long positions until this area, and then probably open a little short position there. So that's gold. Let's get to silver. Let's look at the silver chart and see what's happening there. So again, let me share with you why I'm bullish on silver. We need to look at the weekly chart, and that's the weekly chart on silver. And yeah, here we go. Here we had let me show you. We had this sort of triangle pattern all the way here, and then something like this. Yeah, and even maybe good. Anyway, it was a triangle pattern. I'm not drawing it very well right now. Working fast, but this was a triangle pattern which was a bullish sign. Everyone was expecting silver to break up. Instead, we broke down of this triangle pattern, suggesting that we will go all the way to the bottom, to this area, and we did. We came all the way to the bottom, and let me delete it now. And so we reached the bottom, we bounced back. There's a beautiful bounce back from the bottom, and that's the reason why I'm bullish on silver. We have finished this move, we came all the way to the bottom, so this triangle pattern, we don't need it anymore, and we are on our way back up. I believe we are on our way back to 30, and this time when we reach $30 level, we will probably pass it, go over it, go $35. At 35 we may fall back to around 30, touch this level again as, and this time as support, and we may go and go bullish again and go as far as $50, but we will see this when we get there. So okay, this is the weekly chart on silver, and we are breaking out of this falling trend line, which is again very bullish. And what I see here, this is the weekly chart, what I see here is that we are on our way. I measure this target area is consistent with what I'm going to show you and tell you. So I have a clear price target right now on silver, so we are in a bullish trend. Of course, whatever your target is, if it's bullish, sooner or later I think we will get there. But what I'm working on, what I'm doing right now is this, as you can see, this is an area, this is an area of resistance. It has been support. If you look at this, we have fall down to this level. Of course we had wicks under it, but we bounced back up. So this was support, but we broke down, and now it has become resistance, and now it's resistance. But I do think silver is on the way up to 24.7, 24.8. And again, let's look at the Fibonacci levels. They may also help us. So let's start with all the way from the top, $30, to the down, all the way to the wick down. Here we go. And as you can see, 38.2% is right at 24.7. So I've got 3 signs telling me that we are going to reach this point. So my price target is 24.7, and what will happen at 24.7? I'm almost sure that we will fall back to maybe to 24. We will see how far we will fall back, and then go back to this area again, and eventually go above this area. And the next area, and my next target, is probably going to be the 61.8% Fibonacci level. As you can see, this area has become an area of resistance again, and then this is 26.8. And we will probably stop there, fall back. We will see. I will share with you when we are there what I'm planning to do. But right now, this is very clear, a very clear situation to me. And I'm glad that the silver market right now has become easy to trade for me. We will look at the daily chart, see if there's anything that we can see there. So this is the daily chart on silver. Yeah, we are above the 50-day EMA, which is very good. We have fallen back to the 50-day EMA. It may hold as support. We don't have to fall down, but if we do, we might come to the 20 EMA. We will see. It may hold and eventually we will go back. This area 24 to 24.3, this area seems to be an area of resistance. We have spent some time here. Of course, usually it's not like, we are going straight to our price target. We might spend some time, go zigzag and eventually shoot up there and then fall back down. But this is a clear situation for me. So that's much about gold and silver for today. See you next time.